Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of AI Master, which launches on the 1st of April at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'll be going through my latest new release along with my student launch partner Wayne Therriault. And as the title of this product perhaps suggests, AI Master will enable you to master AI by transforming your digital marketing game, enabling you to master the tools, strategies and insights to stay ahead of the curve. Now, for less than $10, folks, this is a completely comprehensive crash course in AI, as you will see as we work through this. So you really do want to seriously consider picking this up as the ultimate introductory course to all aspects of marketing using AI. So if that sounds good, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the bonuses that you can get by picking up AI Master from the link underneath. Click any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. We will obviously have a look inside the members area. There's myself and there is my launch partner Wayne in the members area. We'll have a look at the funnel, obviously $9.95, that's all it is, the front end. Couldn't be more of a bargain. And we will have a quick look at the sales page. So AI Master, transform your digital marketing game with AI Master. Master the tools, strategies and insights to stay ahead of the curve. So let's have a quick look about what this covers. In fact, let's do that over on the bonus page. So when you click through to this page, you'll come here. This video will be in this space here. So this is what AI Master is. Unlock the power of AI. Learn how to leverage artificial intelligence to supercharge your marketing campaigns and drive unprecedented results. Personalize like a pro. Discover AI-driven techniques to deliver hyper-personalized experiences that captivate your audience. Automate and save time. Streamline repetitive tasks with cutting-edge AI tools, freeing up your time for strategic thinking. Data-driven decisions. Harness AI analytics to make smarter, faster and more accurate marketing decisions. Master AI tools. Get hands-on experience with industry-leading AI platforms like HubSpot, Google AI, Jasper and more. Future-proof your career. Stay ahead in the competitive digital marketing landscape by mastering the latest AI trends and technologies. And certification and recognition. You can even earn a prestigious AI Master certificate that we will send you to showcase your experience, your expertise and boost your career prospects, providing you carry out the tasks that we set you in the course and send us your work to show us that you understand what you've done, basically, same as you would with any exam. So the sales video you can watch either here or in the on the sales page. Bonuses I'm going to give you, I'll show you where you get them in the members area. Crazy coupon cash, unlock the power of discount coupons. Affiliate marketing magic, add some magic to your affiliate marketing campaigns. Essential emails, my flagship email marketing course. Puma Products tells you everything you need to know about product creation, how I do it. List your links, secret source of little unknown traffic source on the web, completely free of charge. So they are your bonuses. Let's have a quick look at the sales page. There's the sales video, confirmation of everything, confirmation of the price. Do have a look through the sales page, quite long, but basically this tells you everything that you need to know about the course, so you can have a look through all of that at your leisure. Confirmation of the bonuses and everything else is in there. So let's have a quick look in the members area, just show you where these bonuses are. To access any of the bonuses, just click on them and there they are. In terms of the main training, so these are your 10 modules, 10 video modules. AI, well, there's an introductory module first, then AI foundations, AI powered customer insights, hyper personalization at scale, AI content creation at scale, AI in social media marketing, AI powered SEO domination, AI paid ads automation, AI email marketing, AI sales funnels, AI-powered analytics, how to get your certification. For each one of these individual models, we give you absolutely tons of resources, and every single module has its own cheat sheet that you can go through, which gives you loads and loads of prompts that you can put into any AI engine as well to get the results you need from that particular module. As I said, all of it for less than $10, folks. It really is an absolute no-brainer, considering the amount of content that you've got here, folks. You know, there's absolutely stacked full of resources. I think over 100 different resources in this course. It's just crazy value. Okay, in terms of the upsell, so upsell number one, the pro version, $27. Now this includes 250 different done for you methods that you can monetize with AI, with this great set of 250 prompts. Just copy and paste them into any AI model, and they're broken down into sections. So like there's 25 on affiliate marketing, 25 on email marketing, 25 on crypto and the like. It's all segmented for you. So whatever way you want to make money online, folks, you're going to be covered with the pro version and these prompts. Executive Club, upsell number two, put yourself at $47, put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all my new releases. You'll get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You'll even get 100% commissions on the front end instead of the regular 50. Lots of people pick this up just to get that. You know, obviously it dramatically increases their commissions on launch day. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. Reseller rights, get reseller rights to AI Master, sell it as if it was your own product and keep 100% commissions across the funnel. Monthly Rotator Club, for those who love passive earnings opportunities, $197. Get an additional passive earnings opportunity every single month. Nothing else to pay ever again. So although it's called Monthly Rotator Club, that means a new offer every month. Doesn't mean you pay every month. It's a one-time fee. No monthly payments, just this one time. And then I've got an offer, still running my Black Friday bundle offer, but which you can only get as part of these funnels. You can't buy it as a standalone item anymore. But you can get both of my high-ticket programs, Elite Academy and Passive Income Academy, at one super low price of $497. And this does still sell. Someone bought it on the last launch. So, you know, it can be a nice payday for you as well. So that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, to get your bonuses, you don't need to claim them on Warrior Plus or anything. They're all there waiting for you. So all that remains for me to say, obviously I'm not going to give this one a mark out of 10 because it's my own, sorry, a mark out of 5 because it's my own product launch. It's for other people to do that. All that I will do is to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've not yet already subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking on the button below and also clicking on the bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out new content. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of AI Master.